Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by t on numerator and denominator. Next, I will put number 16 square on numerator and denominator. So this one we can combine with this one in here, so they should be like this. So we have the formula in here. So when t approaches to number 0, sine of 80 over 80 equals to number 1. So this is similar for this one. And now we can put number 0 on here. And this one we have 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.